Good morning, students. How are you all today? I hope you are superb, awesome, healthy, and enjoying learning from home. I, Sabah Shaheen, as your social study teacher, welcome you all again in this beautiful, amazing class. Today, I will continue Class 8E Social Study, specifically Geography, lesson number 1, that is our resources, where will we discuss about resources and economic development, conservation of resources and sustainable development. Students, now we know that resources are anything which is useful for us is resources. Now, today's first topic is resources and economic development. So, the economic development, when people enjoy a higher standard of living, it is called economic development. The main features of a developed country, for example, Japan or Singapore, are people enjoy more consumer goods, better nutrition, and have longer lives. They consume more resources and have a higher standard of living and influence the demand for resources. Thus, economic development of a country depends on availability of different resources in the region and the needs of the people of these region and also the technology possessed by them. Next we have conservation of resources. So students, how do we conserve our resources or how do we protect our resources? A common example would be, I can say, switch off the fan, light, tap if you are not using it. So running water is the kind of wastage. Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed, through this we can conserve resources. We can also do several things to reduce consumption of the various natural resources, such as use energy efficient LED, CFL instead of filament type electric bulbs to save electricity, and we can switch off unnecessary lights and fans. Use bicycle to cover short distances instead of car, bike to reduce the consumption of petrol and diesel. Okay, and stop using polythene bags and start using bags made up of cotton or jute. Okay, and we can also use solar cooker and solar water heater. Through these activities we can conserve our resources, our natural resources. Understand all of you? Next we have sustainable development. The word sustainable means using the present day resources in such a manner that they are available for future generation to come. We know that sunlight coming from the sun, water, air are sustainable, that would be available for generation. If we talk renewable energy, we are definitely conserving our resources because we are using energy from water, that is hydroelectrical energy. In other ways we conserve coal. So here we can define sustainable development very easily. Conservation helps us to use our resources in such a way that present needs can be met without destroying the availability or ability of future generations to meet their needs. Okay? And sustainable development involves, among other things, just like preventing pollution, recycling reusable resources, and also preventing wastage and excess consumption of resources. Okay? So I hope you all are enjoy today's class. In next class, we will do exercise of chapter 1. Now it's time for the homework. You all have to learn about sustainable development. Okay, students? Students, all I just want to say to all of you that we all have to do something for conserve our nature, to conserve our resources. With this, I end my class today. Enjoy your day. Keep on learning throughout the day. Bye, students. Take care, all of you.